How long did it take the last time you tried to get professional help at home? Let me guess. You browsed the internet, read tons of reviews, and called all the numbers only to not find anyone who could fit on your schedule. You need Varpet, the app that connects workers with people. Now, let's try it again with Varpet. Open the app, choose the task or repairs you need assistance with. See, you even have the exact pricing information in advance. Now, select the time you need the work done. And that's it. I mean it. That's really it. The Varpet platform will find all the available workers near your location and they'll be at your home on time. After the job is complete, you can rate the worker and share your experience. And Varpet is totally free. So, download it now, install the app, and get the work you need done on your schedule. That's it.